Tuloy-tuloy ang labanan ng magagaling na singers dito sa The Clone, sa Voice of the Stars.
Sigurado bibilib kayo sa kanilang nakakabulagang performance.
Okay, wag na natin patagalin to. Simulan na natin ang kantahan. Bukas na naman po, open na ang...
The Clone!
Ian Red, ikaw mag-open ng The Clone. The stage is yours.
Let's go, Ian!
And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Mahirap pa mag-isa nanginginig. And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Pag wala ang mga galaw, madilim pa ang mundo. And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Mahirap pa mag-isa nanginginig. And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Andiyan lang ang mga galaw, andiyan lang ang mga gala. Sa salmang sulok ng mundo, dapat ka sa'yo. Aha!
Galing ni Ian talaga.
Wala nang tumalita
Baka
bagay.
na talaga. I-welcome natin sila lahat dito sa The Clones. At eto na, may kasama tayong clone, ang boses.
Ito nang inaabangan ng mga Dabber Gods, Ma'am AK. Unahin na natin si Rami Millaflor Jr. ng Quezon City.
Rami!
Hi, Ronnie, pakilala ka.
Hello po, ako si Rami Esmeralda Jr. I am 17 years old. I am a senior high school student at naniniwala sa kasabihang, kundi ako para sa kanya, sobrang malas niya.
Pinaparinggan niya ako, Ma'am. Ha? Pinaparinggan niya ako.
Feeling mo lang yun.
Feel ko lang.
Affected. Laki ng boses, Ma'am AK.
Oo, grabe. Ang 17 years old, tapos ganun kalaki ang boses. Jo, sino sa tingin mong kaboses nito?
Lou Rolls.
Come with me and you'll be pwede.
Lou Rolls.
Oo.
Pwede. Malaki.
Tito Sen.
James Brown.
Feel good. Main,
Bagets, Ma'am Allen, feeling ko medyo Juan Carlos to.
sa ilalim ng puting
Yes.
ilaw. Riza.
Okay.
Dahil po sa speaking voice niya, parang Victor Wood.
Sweet. Caroline.
Okay.
Victor Wood, ah.
Karen.
Frank Sinatra po.
Pwede. Oo, kasi pang, malakas ang boses niya eh. Ikaw, Rai.
Parang Josh Turner, Ma'am Alan.
But what to do with you?
Parang lang.
Pwede din.
Baka.
Gulatin mo nga kami, Rami. Come on.
Tama. Ryan na naman. Ano ba, Ryan?
Winner is Ryan.
Baby, lock them door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Lock them door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Taray! 17 years old. Ganyan yung mga kinakanta mo. Si Josh Turner po ay isang American country singer and songwriter. Kailan ka natutong kumanta ng mga ganyan, mga luma?
Nung pandemic po, 2020.
Pero dati ka na kumanta, bata ka pa.
Yes po.
Anong mga kanta?
Mga Bruno Mars po.
Bruno Mars. May Bruno Mars ka rin na boses. Mataas yun, matinis.
Yes, dati.
Patinig nga.
Konti
When
lang.
I see your face. Ayan.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Galing. May malaki siyang boses, may maliit din.
At your age,
Oo, 17. Ilang taon ka nagsimula kumanta?
Ano po, 8 years old po.
8 years old?
Pero Ma'am Iggy, si Rami, ano siya, dati siyang sumali sa segment din ng Eat Bulaga. Hype kang bata ka.
Uy, ilang taon ka nun?
Ano po, 11 po or 10.
11? So, mga 6-8 years ago na?
Yes po, 2018.
Talaga? Anong ginawa mo nun? Kumanta din?
Kumanta rin po.
Anong kinanta mo nun?
When I Was Your Man po, Bruno
Ayun,
Mars.
Bruno
Ayun ang
Mars.
Bruno Mars. Sige nga, patinig nga. I-compare natin yung boses mo 8 years ago tsaka ngayon.
Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now.
Oh.
Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. Now friends talk about you, all it does is just tear me down. Yes, my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like
Nanalo ka ba nun?
Hindi po, natalo po.
Natalo ka? Alam mo ba na yung ginagawa mo? Parang yung tingin ni Ian, parang kaya ko rin yan.
Opo, Ma'am Iggy eh. Parang
Sige nga, Ian.
pinakabalik ka ni Ian.
Anong chorus?
I should have bought you flowers.
And I should have brought you flowers. Hindi ko alam mamalas yung lyrics.
Toro may
Hindi, alam.
fans.
Wala, Ian. May
Ian
ano pala
Red
dun, no?
Nation.
Ian Red nakasulat. Ian Red Nation.
Ian Red Nation.
Kalaban ng Amber Nation.
Navita chapter.
Oo. May request na lang kayo. Meron ba? Ayun si girl na naka-white. May request.
Hi! Sorry. Hi! Ang beautiful. What's your name?
Mikay po.
Mikay? Taga saan si Mikay?
Sa Pasig City!
Oh, Pasig City. What do you do? Working?
Actually, business na lang.
Yaman mo naman.
Business lang po siya.
Ang hirap mo naman. Ang yaman kasi basta may business, okay yun. O sige, anong song ang gusto mong marinig from Baby Boy?
Hello po, sobrang favorite ko po kasi si Josh Turner. Baka po kaya niyang kantahin yung Why Don't You Just...
Oo naman! Ikaw talaga susobra ka doon. Oo naman, kaya niya yun.
Kaya mo ba yun yung sinabi
Sige
niya?
po, try po,
O
subukan.
sige. Yung mata nito pang ano.
Rami Villaflor.
Baby, why don't we just turn that TV on? 315 channels of nothing but bad news on. Well, it might be me, but the way I see it, the whole wide world has gone crazy. So baby, why don't we just dance down the hall, maybe straight up the stairs, bouncing off the wall, floating on air, baby. Why don't we just dancing on the wall, floating on air, baby? Why don't we just dance?
Anong iyak? Nagustuhan ba niya?
I'm sure. What can you say about the song?
Excellent!
Savage.
Savage. Savage. Savage. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Wala, na-savage ko lang. Thank you, ate.
Halika nga rito kasi...
Iyan.
Ang iba kasi ayaw maniwalang marami ka rin talagang... Oh, paano lakad? May sakit.
Taas na balikat mo ha.
Ang iba kasi ayaw maniwalang marami ka talagang nagkakaing boses.
Oo
Iyan.
nga.
Opo.
Di ba ang Josh Turner, kaya mo rin?
Jo, ano po ba yung kinanta po niya?
Oo.
Umpisan mo.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down.
Damunan sana, sana.
Ang galing!
Ikaw sana, ikaw sana. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics.
Ikaw sana, ikaw sana.
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics, Ma'am Ala.
Ano ka ba? Ang dali-dali lang nung Josh
Kaya mo
Turner.
yan, Melcy.
Oo, alam ko yung Josh Turner na yan.
Ako.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly.
Si Josh
Jeffrey
Turner.
Osborne yun eh.
Just turn on me and let the day begin.
Minak-nak mo naman kami.
Di ba ganun yun? Sorry.
Pwede.
Pagkakantaan tadya kita, Miles.
Eto ngayon. Rami.
Rami po.
Rami, may challenge kami sa iyo ngayon. Ipapakanta namin kay Josh Turner ang Bahay Kubo. Kaya mo yun? Kaya mo kasi Bruno Mars?
Kaya.
Tsaka si Bruno Punsalan. Sige, tira!
Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, batani, tol, batola, upot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pa labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng burilya.
Taray.
Ganun.
Karen, Bahay Kubo yung kinakanta. Kinikilig ka?
Hindi po. Karen ah.
Paalalahanan lang kita. 15 anyos ka lang, okay?
Tumatawa lang po ako, Mama.
Sa bagay, 17 rin to eh.
Mama Ala, nag-hype ng bata ka din kasi si Karen.
Oo. Nagpang-abot ba kayo? Nagkita ba kayo doon?
Tinatanong ko nga po if kabatch ko po siya. Hindi ko po alam.
Ako kabatch ko siya.
Sinabi ko na rito, pipito ka eh. Kasi si Marico, 54. Mas matanda siya sa'yo ng 2 years.
So, pilan ako? 52.
Thank you, Rami! Doon ka muna iyo. Eto, ang isa pang clone pagdating sa kantahan. Rosa Vilma Santos. Mali ba? Rosa Vilma Lomarta ng San Rafael, Bulacan. Hello! Pakilala ka muna.
Ako po si Rosa Vilma Lomarda ng San Rafael, Bulacan po. May 4 na pong apo at...
Apat na apo.
4 na apo at naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan na always be kind kasi po kindness makes us beautiful.
Oh, mabait kayo. Tinasabihan ka, be
Dahil
kind
tsaka ano
daw.
sa akin, sa mukha ko talaga sasabi, kindness makes us beautiful. Ang tagal-tagal ko ng kind, walang nangyayari. Okay. Sa tingin nyo, sino ka boses niya? Ryan!
Carol.
Sino Carol, nanay ni Juday?
Mami Carol.
Mami Carol. Shout out.
Karen.
Sharon Cuneta po. Hula ko.
Pwede. Riza.
Hula ko po, Janet Jackson.
Wow!
Yan, Ma'am Alan.
Maine.
Paano mamahalan? Feeling ko isa sa mga guests natin nung Sabado, Mama Alan.
Sino?
City.
Si City.
Star City. City Navarro. City Navarro.
City Navarro.
Navarro.
Ikaw, Tito Sen.
Aretha Franklin. Tita mo po, ba?
Pwede.
Aretha Franklin.
Pwede. Hindi magbubuts yan kung hindi mag-soul. Ikaw, Joe.
Mukhang professional na siya eh. Mukhang mga dulce siguro.
Ay, pwede din. Ano, surprise us na lang. Rosa Vilma Lomarda.
Miss Ian, mic stand po, please.
Tusan mo talaga ako.
Lutusan ka, Ian.
Mic stand
Mic
down.
stand, please.
Ito na po, ito na po, madam. Bukas na rin po yung wifi.
Ano?
Wi-Fi.
Pinalitan ko na rin po ng password yung wifi. Sige po, mag-iinis mo na ako, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Welcome.
Diamonds are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might serve me. Diamonds are forever. Hold one up and caress it. Touch it, stroke it and undress it. I can see every part, nothing hides in the heart to hurt me. I don't need love. Oh, what good will undo me? Diamonds never lie to me. Oh, when love's gone, they lost her on. Diamonds are forever, sparkling around my little finger. Unlike men, the diamonds linger. Men are mere mortals who are not worth going to your grave for. Diamonds are forever, forever, forever. Diamonds are forever, 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 forever.
Ano Ian?
Ang galing, ma'am. Sige, alisin ko na po yung mic stand. Nakapagtimba na rin po ako ng kape. Nainom ko na rin. Ninervous na ba kayo?
Alagay,
Yes.
with due respect,
Oh.
mas huli niya si Shirley Bassey sa kay Carmen Patenya at saka kay... sino
Mercy
po isa?
Molina.
Mercy Molina.
Oh.
Huli niya.
Si Shirley Bassey
Sa
po,
pool.
para sa mga Dabarkas ating hindi kilala, si Shirley Bassey po ay isang Welsh singer na kumanta ng 3 James Bond theme songs. Goldfinger, yung Diamonds Are Forever, tsaka Moonraker. Oh.
Hindi, kaya niya rin yung Goldfinger. Dapat. Tsaka Moonraker.
Alam mo yung Goldfinger?
Hindi, pero ang paborito kong Shirley Bassey, yung This Is My Life.
This is my life.
O kaya, And We Were Lovers. Di ba? Anong kinakanta mo ron?
This is
Never,
my
never,
life.
And this is my life.
And This Is My Life. Oh. Anyway, baka may request ng audience. Kung
Audience!
wala, pwede na yun.
Hello, ma'am. Diamonds are forever. Shine bright like a diamond. What's your name?
Push up. I'm Jane po.
Jane? Taga saan si Jane?
From Caloocan City.
From Caloocan. Anong song ni Shirley Bassey ang gusto mong marinig ngayon?
Magre-request po ako ng Never, Never, Never po by Shirley Bassey.
Never, never. Ganda yan.
Ano yun?
Maganda rin yun, maganda rin
sikat
yun.
sa kanya yun. Alam mo ba yun, Miles?
Opo.
Paano?
Never, never,
Iba
never
yun.
enough. Hindi ba yun?
Kay Lauren Albert Jan, the greatest showman.
Sorry.
Pero ang galing ng banda natin, ha? Mahirap sundan yan.
Oo. Palakpakan ulit sa banda ni Ikulaga, Pedro and the Shop
Pedro
Boys.
and the
In fairness. Kahit anong kanta, Joe, kaya nila.
Never, never be.
Oh, never,
Di ba
never.
ganun?
Shirley Bassey pa rin.
Sige.
Rosa Vilma Lomarda.
Lomarda.
Thank you po. Ian, mic stand down.
Kaya pala naka-boots.
I'd like to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. You stay away, and all I do is wonder what hell I wait for you. But when the common sense prevailed for lovers, when we knew it never will. Impossible to live with you, but I know I can never live without you. Oh, what a love you do. I never want to be in love with anyone but you. You make me laugh, you make me cry, you make me live, you make me die for you. You make me sing, you make me sad, you make me glad, you make me mad for you. I love you, hate you, but I want you till the world stops turning. Oh, what I love you do. I never want to be in love with anyone but you. Yeah.
Ian!
Alan, kinakanta ng Tito Vic and Joey noong araw yan.
Ang never, never.
Impossible to pass the ball because I know you will fumble in basketball.
And whatever
Naka-top
you
hits
do,
pala yun sa TVJ.
the referee will always call a foul on you tonight.
Ian, ano ba sasabi nung nag-request?
She likes it. What can you say?
First of all po, thank you sa pag-accept ng request and sobrang perfect po ng boses niya. Thank you po.
It's okay.
Thank you.
So
Mama Kay,
perfect.
Oh,
may request.
sino?
Si Tito Sen.
Ano?
Baka po pwedeng This Is My Life. Kay
Sige,
chorus,
kahit chorus lang. Sige. Funny, funny, oh, lonely day. Chorus na, chorus. Chorus.
This is my life. Today is what love will come and find me. But that's the way that I was born to be. This is me. This is me. This is my life. And I don't give a damn for lost emotion. I've got a lot of love I've got to give. Let me live. Let me live. Thank you.
Aray!
Thank you.
Tanong mo si Tito Ian kung did he like the song.
Did you like it, Tito Sen?
Sige nga.
Ayan, ikaw tuloy yung
Namon
pinakanta ni
tuloy.
Tito Sen.
Yung sa
This is
birit
my life.
agad, sa birit agad.
This is...
This is my life. This is my life. I love you, Tito Sen.
Binuelo mo pa!
Bengay.
Binuelo mo pa talaga.
Happy feel.
Wala ka chapter.
May challenging kami sa'yo, Rosa Vilma. Ano pwede namin itawag sa'yo, Rose o Vilma or what? Ami.
Miss Ami.
Ah, okay. Ang dami mo pala talaga pangalan, Rosa Vilma. Ito naman, Ami Susie and Tessie. Ani, may challenge din kami sa'yo. Pagkantahin natin si Shirley Bassey ng Bahay Kubo. Sige, Shirley Bassey.
School na sa amin. Bahay kubo, kahit munti ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, baka, bakani, pundol, patola, uhot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pa labanos, mustasa.
Cathy de la Cruz to.
Ano, Jo?
Cathy de la Cruz.
Katie de la Cruz.
Katie de la Cruz.
Oo. Thank you,
Thank you,
Rosa
Miss
Vilma.
Ellie.
Magsama kayo muna ni Rami doon.
Salamat.
Thank you very much sa ating mga The Clones at mga Dabarkads, ha? Kahit sino po, kahit anong edad o gender, pwedeng sumali dito sa The Clones, Ka-Voice of the Stars. Ang gagawin nyo lang po, mag-audition lang sa TV5 Media Center, Reliance Street, Mandaluyong City. That's Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. See you, Dabarkads.
Pwede rin po kayo mag-send ng audition video at details niyo po sa _clones at tvjproductions.ph.
Ang mananalong clone ay tatanggap ng 10,000 pesos at may 5,000 pesos naman na consolation prize ang non-winner. At sa grand finals naman, naghihintay ang 300,000 pesos!
Plus, magkakaroon siya ng chance na mag-set sa clown.
Yung.
Sino nanalo, Mamalo?
Abay, alamin natin.
Ito, inabot sa akin ng sinampalan. Inampalan. Ang nanalo. The Clones, the Voice of the Stars. Winner for today is contestant number 2, Rosa Vilma Lomarda.